Namaskar, I'm Shriyanka and you are watching Mobile News 24/7. Let's have a look on the top headlines of the day. An all-party meeting will be convened a day before the upcoming winter session of the Parliament on November 28, that is on Sunday. The winter session this year is scheduled to begin from November 29 and will continue till December 23. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also likely to attend the meet. Ensuring a better healthcare facility for everyone, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik distributed the Smart Health Card under Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana to over 1,65,000 beneficiaries in Kandhamal district. CM also led foundation stones of different projects worth around ₹300 crore under the Mukhyamantri Karma Tatpara Abhijan Yojana. Hinjalikat leads at the top position in Odisha in the below 25,000 population category in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2021 survey report brought by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Hinjalikat municipality is Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's own constituency, remains to be the cleanest municipality in Odisha in this category. Intensifying the agitation over rise in the price of cooking gas or LPG, the ruling BJD staged its 3-day protest outside the RDC office in Cuttack and other places. Activists of the youth, students and women wings of the BJD also held demonstrations in front of the ADM and IOCL office in Bhubaneswar. Group Captain Abhinandan Vartaman, who shot down a Pakistani F-16 fighter jet during dogfight over the line of control on February 27, 2019, was awarded the Veer Chakra at Defence Investiture ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Eastern Air Commander Air Marshal Dilip Patnaik, who hails from Bhubaneswar, has also been conferred with Ati Vishisht Seva by President. A hand grenade blast took place near the Army's cantonment in Punjab's Pathankot late on Sunday and no casualty has been reported yet. The grenade was thrown by motorcycle-borne assailants near the Tribeni gate of Army's cantonment, following which security has been tightened across the district and search operation is underway. The Supreme Court granted protection from arrest to former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh in criminal cases lodged against him in Maharashtra and sought responses from the state government, its DGP and the CBI on his plea. Former Mumbai Police Chief Parambir Singh, who was missing since October, informed the Supreme Court that he is in India, not absconding. As many as 5 forest personnel, including an ACF, were injured in a wild elephant attack near Gayabandha village in Khurda district, while the forest staff had approached the elephant after tranquilizing it to fit a GPS tracking system. All the injured officials have been admitted to Bhubaneswar AIIMS for treatment. Unveiling the glaring loophole, 6 juveniles escaped from a reformatory home in Berhampur by breaking the window pane of their room. A missing complaint was launched by the Observation Home authorities at Baidyanathpur police station and further investigation is underway. The Odisha Vigilance Sleuths have apprehended an integrated child development services supervisor of Chhattiagoda sector in Noapada while accepting a bribe of ₹8,000. ICDS supervisor demanded bribe for giving undue favors and appointing at the Sagunbadi Anganwadi Kendra. India reported 249 fatalities and 8,488 new coronavirus infections today, which is the lowest since May last year. In the same time period, Odisha registered 171 fresh cases of COVID-19. To stay updated, keep watching Mobile News 24/7.